Hello guys, welcome to yet another episode on my YouTube channel. If you're new, please do not forget to subscribe. And as for the returning subscribers, thank you so much for always supporting my work. And this goes to all the people that are going to watch this video. Do not forget to like and share it to your friends. That is the only way you can promote this girl over here. Anyway, so we're going to go right away to start preparing our banana cake. As you can see, I am preparing the tin that we're going to use. I have used margarine. You can use margarine and flour, both of them at the same time, or use a parchment paper. So here we dive into doing the work. So I'm going to smash my sweet bananas into using a fork with so that I can attain this thick like mixture. Then I'm going to set that aside and start preparing the next ingredient, which is sugar and butter, or you can use Prestige or Blue Band. They still do the same thing. So ensure that you will mix using a whisk to get a very good texture. Please note that this is where most bakers go wrong, when they overmix, or rather when they undermix. Anyway, when I get the desired paste that I want, I will go right ahead and start adding my eggs. I will ensure that I start heating my eggs in a different bowl and add it in this mixture. The reason why we always do that is because at times you can get that the egg you want to use is bad. So you can imagine you'll have gone to waste, with the whole mixture, because you can't use a bad egg to bake a cake. Anyway, after you've added your eggs, of course, you will start you will mix the mixture again to get a very, how do I call it, a very not light and not heavy mixture, just in between. And please note, while you're adding eggs, do not forget to add your vanilla essence. The vanilla essence is to help the cake not to smell or even taste like eggs. Yes. So once I'm done and the mixture is okay, as you can see in the video, I will now take this mixture and add it to the bananas that I had smashed using a fork. I had also forgotten to mention that this is the stage where you can add your milk, because you have two stages where you can add your milk. I used 1.5 cup of milk. So as I mix the banana paste with this new mixture that I have obtained from butter, eggs, and sugar, I will start adding in my flour bits by bits. Once I start adding my flour, you can also interchange this process by adding a little bit of milk as you add the flour, so that you can get a very good consistency of your cake. Yes. So this is the final mixture you get after mixing all the ingredients that I had told you before. I noticed that my cake will not really fit in one tin, so I decided to oil another tin, making it 2 cakes. Well, of course, I had to make one a little bit different by slicing fresh bananas and placing it on top of this mixture. And please note, to get a really good banana cake, a really good one, please use brown sugar. I used white because I had not purchased the brown one, but please use brown sugar. It really gives a very good and dark banana bread. Anyway, so I had to do like that, so that I let any air out that is unnecessary. And I'll be baking my cake With the oven I had to put it under 200 degrees for 50 minutes. And let's wait and have a look at how the final product will look like. Just have a look at how my cake look like. I'll place them on this wire, or rather baking wire, for them to cool, so that I may cut and show you how the cake really looks like after it has been sliced. Yes, now have a look at how it looks like. The outer part is really crunchy and the inner part is very, very soft. Anyway, thank you so much for watching this video till this far. If you've not subscribed, please subscribe for more amazing recipes and share it with your friends and family. If you are able to try my recipe, please let me know down in the description box how it was. Thank you so much. I love you guys. Bye.